In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create products in WooCommerce using REST API. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard because before the API can work properly, your WooCommerce store needs a few settings in place. Once you're logged in, go to Settings and then Permalinks. This part is important because WooCommerce REST API works best when your permalink structure is not set to plain. Choose any option other than plain, then save your changes if needed. That small adjustment helps ensure your API endpoints are readable and function correctly. Next, head over to WooCommerce, then Settings, then Advanced, and finally REST API. This is where you'll create the credentials needed to connect an external app, script, or API tool to your store. Click Create an API key or Add key if you already have keys listed. Now enter a description so you can recognize what this key is being used for later. For the user, select an account with administrator access, since the API needs the proper permissions to create products. After that, set the permissions to read/write. This is essential because read-only access will not allow product creation. Then click Generate API key. As soon as the key is generated, copy the consumer key and consumer secret immediately. This is very important because once you leave the page, the full secret will be hidden and you won't be able to view it again in the same way. Store these credentials somewhere secure and private so you can use them in your API request. With your credentials ready, move on to setting up your API endpoint and headers. This is the part where you define the WooCommerce products endpoint and configure the request so your system knows where to send the product data and how to authenticate it. Be careful here because even a small typo in the endpoint or headers can cause the request to fail. After that, construct your JSON request body. This is the data payload that contains the product information you want WooCommerce to create. Make sure the formatting is valid, JSON, and that the fields match what WooCommerce expects. Clean structure matters a lot here because invalid formatting is one of the most common reasons an API request gets rejected. Once everything is in place, send the request and verify the server response. This final step confirms whether the product was created successfully. If the response looks correct, that means your API connection, authentication, and request body are all working together properly. If not, review the previous setup carefully, especially your permissions, endpoint, headers, and JSON formatting. And that's how to create products in WooCommerce using the REST API.